How to change font size on Facebook Lite. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you if we can change font size on Facebook Lite or not. So let's find out. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook Lite application and just click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner. Just make sure you have already logged into your account, and once you're inside here, just tap on this settings and privacy. Once you enlarge it, just select settings. So once you click on settings, you just have to simply scroll down all the way until you see the option called preference, and inside there you should be seeing option called font size. So as you can see, currently due to their recent updates, the font size option has been removed from over here. So in the past or previously, before this updated version, we were seeing this option called font size under this preference section, where we could easily change the font size to small, large or medium based on our choices. So currently it's not available because of the new update. So let's hope for the new update. Another new update will bring the changes and bring the font size option back here as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.